jongi ki ang not.
In a bid to promote Muga and Eri silk production in Bhoi district, the Regional Muga Research Station, Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, in collaboration with the District Sericulture Office, Bhoi district, today organised a Vanya, Resham, Krishi Mela at the District Library, Nongpoh. Speaking at the occasion, as the chief guest, Nongpoh MLA Meral Bond's aim emphasised the importance of fostering collaboration between Muga farmers and scientists to enhance silk production in the region. The event also featured an exhibition showcasing various Eri silk end products and the release of a booklet on Muga, silkworm, rearing and seed production. Awards were also distributed to local progressive farmers for their contribution to Muga silk production.
Kumbu program sidik kesadaan dengan seluruh bentak kebar agaba New York ajimon berkeli jingkeli berwak jingkit kiwa kumpuno bilingrap nak bentak ki group SAG ne nak bentak society ne nak bentak shimet ne bentak terter berkinyo di syai nak bentak terter. Kalau lepas kongsan adu kata berpun ki mengharap kiri. Kalau kontrol mana tu, mbak reliknya, mbak terkesai, mbak ayam, mbak bertai.